tasty horse gram curry recipe. You can serve it along with puttu or rice for best taste. We need 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of horse gram. We have washed and soaked horse gram for 2 hours. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, and sufficient water to cook horse gram. Mix it well. Cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before opening. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Horse gram has cooked well. Take some amount of horse gram and grind it into a paste form. Add this to the curry. We are doing this to get thick gravy curry. In a grinder jar, take half cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 5 to 6 garlics, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Add some water and grind it into a paste form. Now add the grinded mixture to the cooker. Switch on the flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Add 1 cup of hot water, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 2 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves, and mix it for 10 seconds on low flame. Now add 7 to 8 sliced shallots and mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until it turns to light golden color. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring. After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Tasty horse gram curry recipe is ready. If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 6 portions. You can serve it along with puttu or rice for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.